Hi guys, my name is Wanja and I'm a realtor. I work with Palm Golding Properties and I am an expert on Thika Road and Kiambu Road. Now, Corona is here with us. We're all stuck at home and we're wondering, what's going to happen next. So I figured the best way for me to go about this season in our lives is for me to find a safe way to stay away from Corona and keep showing houses. So I roped my husband into it. We went with his iPhone and did walkthroughs of all the empty houses that we have. So far, we've done 4 houses. And so enjoy the videos. If you have any feedback, feel free to contact me. Once we are done with this Corona season, if you're looking for properties, you can always contact me. Stay safe and enjoy.